What do Marilyn Monroe, Sabrina Carpenter, and even The Rock all have in common? It's not just fame. It's definitely not a cheat code all these celebrities have. There is a raw psychological reason why the world, especially men, get completely addicted to their energy. Today, I'm revealing the exact psychological hack on how to make him upset with you by tapping into your natural emotional contrast. If you've been feeling like the nice girl who always gets ghosted or overlooked, this video is your turning point. And stay until the very end because I have a secret gift, a gold standard resource that will help you implement this tonight. You don't want to miss it? Hey friends, welcome back to Classy Muse. I'm Nhi and I help women step into their power and become their most magnetic, high-value selves. You ready to stop chasing and start attracting? Hit that subscribe button and stay white. So, why do some women stick in a man's mind for years, while others fade into the background? It's because how the human brain filters information. We like to put people in boxes. The sweet girl, the career boss, the side one. But when you don't fit into a box, his brain wakes up. It creates a dopamine spike. To learn how to make him upset with you, you have to break the pattern. You have to become a mental person. Look at Marilyn Monroe. She wasn't just beautiful. She was a paradox. 1 second, she was the innocent girl next door with a soft, airy voice. The next, she was raunchy, slow, and completely in control. Or look at Sabrina Carpenter. She looks like a literal Polly Pocket, super girly and feminine, but then she opens her mouth and she's sarcastic, witty, and bold. The contrast is the secret sauce. When you are opposite things at once, you become rare, and our brains are biologically wired to value what is rare. If you are 100% predictable, his brain gets bored. If you are a mix of sweet and sassy or soft and strong, he becomes addicted to trying to figure you out. It works both ways. While we bored by the nice guy, but upset with the gentleman. The nice guy is one-dimensional. The gentleman, however, is a protector and a provider who can be taught and assertive. Yet, he is the one who buys you flowers and holds your hand with total gentleness. That is depth. To avoid it to yourself, be nice, but not too nice. Be soft, but not passive. Have your own house, your own boundaries, and your own life. Imagine a woman who is elegantly dressed, sipping tea, but then mentions she is upset with walking or high-intensity kickboxing. Suddenly, she is 10 times more intriguing. That contrast is the key to how to make him upset with you. Most women suppress their contrast because they are afraid of being too much or inconsistent. But the most unforgettable woman embrace it all. This is about balancing your light and dark feminine energy. Your light side is your warmth, playfulness, and nurturing spirit. Your dark side is your mystery, your boundaries, and your untamed power. When you stop filtering yourself to fit into a perfect little box, you naturally become captivating. I want to hear from you. What are 2 traits you have that seem like total opposite? Maybe you are a tomboy who loves quiet luxury or a CEO who loves poetry. Comment your contrasting traits below. I love reading these. Now for that secret gift I promise. If you want to move from being just a girl to being the unforgettable muse, you can stop thinking about I put together something special. I'm giving away my ebook, How to Make Him Fall in Love by Classy Muse for free to my community here. To get the copy, simply comment your first name plus email address below. My team could send it directly to your inbox so you can start your transformation today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay magnetic, stay classy, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.